This is my final attempt at trying to do my makeup myself. So if you're a fellow beginner like me, just sit down, let's practice.
Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you.
Hey besties, welcome back to the channel. If you're just joining us for the first time, I'm Ro. This is a self-development, travel and lifestyle channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video to your loved ones. We're going to get right into this video because we have no time to waste. I'm going to try as much as possible not to talk so much, so let's just practice this thing together. So let's hope that it comes out well. If it doesn't come out well, you guys also that I've given up. My things are here, so I will be facing down ish, so you guys would please bear with me. I will be using my mirror as well, so just in case you see me looking down or turning to my right, bear with me. Okay, first off, let's get this hair out of the way. It's just to make it sharp because it keeps going blunt, so I'll be able to have like that precision. It looks like how sharp it is. I'm really not good with eyeshadow, so I'm just going to skip that part. I'm going to shift to concealing. Light. Fine. It's very light. Chick shack cho. Chick shack cho.
Why do I lose all my control? I keep on letting my bad habits make us both come crashing to the floor. Something to save us, close but we're strangers.
Well.
Feel like we're far apart. Strip it down.
I don't even know if I'm using the right brush. But one thing I know is when it seems wrong, don't forget to blend. Always blend. Always blend. It looks ridiculous right now. I've watched so many makeup tutorials that I'm not sure whose method I'm using. I'm just I'm just joining everything. I'm just mixing and matching. So anyhow it comes out, we'll manage it.
Inside myself, I swear to never talk about it until I start yell. Something to save us, close but we're strangers. Feel like we're far apart. Strip it down, new. Strip it down. complicated. Why do I lose all my control? I keep on letting my bad habits make us both come crashing to the floor. Something to save us, close but we're strangers. Feel like we're far apart. Strip it down, new. Strip it down, new. Strip it down, new. This is not what we should be.
I don't know what you're supposed to do. I've never been a blush girl. And as someone that doesn't know how to do makeup, I think I should avoid it, but I'm going to try it. I don't even know what these are, but I feel like I should use this. So yeah.
I keep on holding things within me. I keep it deep inside myself. I swear to never talk about it until I start to yell. Something to save us, close but we're strangers. Feel like we're far apart. Strip it down, new.
That's too much there.
Strip it down,
What this is now, you are trying on. I think I missed this step.
strip it down, new.
Can you imagine?
This is not what we should be. Thought you get the best of me.
Doesn't look bad at all. In my opinion, it doesn't look bad at all, but let's finish it up and see. Hey, if I get this thing, if I get this makeup, hey, it's over for you people. But let's see. It's looking good so far. We're not done yet, so let's keep trying. I hope I'm doing the right thing though.
This is how we should be. Thought you get the best of me.
Now there's that demarcation that we dread. Okay, let's analyze at this point. From the camera, I can't really see, but I know that there is a demarcation, right? Around the blush area, the contour, and the, what's it called now? And the highlighting. Also, I feel like this contouring is too much. So that's all like the mistakes that I know that I can see for now. We move. What I want to do is just apply powder. I feel like close up, I can see a lot of rubbish. A whole lot of rubbish close up. But when I check through this camera, I can't see as much rubbish as I can see. So let's just keep going. You can use the opportunity to blend whatever it is that seems like it wants to go against our agenda. There's something happening here that I don't understand. I've never lined my lips like this upper part of my lips before, so I want to try to do that now. Let's hope that I don't regret it. I think it gives some sort of fuller look that I'm not really sure I like. Actually looks good. See me now trying to make it look fuller. You know the funny part? I could be doing this thing, I feel like I'm doing the right thing. Oh, it's not so bad, it's going well. But when it's time to edit it, that's when I'll be like, girl, didn't you see? But whichever way, this video must come out. If people will watch this one, the upper lips definitely looks fuller. This is what my power can do. Fix your lashes and we are done. For eyeshadow, it's not my thing. Not because I don't like it, but because I don't know how to do it. And if I say I should attempt, I just might spoil everything that we're trying to create. Oh, my worship, worthy of my chant. Glow that will blind their eyes. We are done, and it's not looking bad in my opinion, and my opinion matters to me a lot. I hope this fixes everything. I hate wasting foundation. How do I put this foundation back into the bottle? Because I'm going to find a way. Should I judge me? Yeah. Don't waste. Let me attempt this eyeshadow thing. Let's try. It not look as if we did not do complete thing. I hope you guys are practicing with me, because you cannot leave me here like this. There's not any one of these. Eye blender, wing liner, Luxe Petite Crease. Sounds like something that has to do with eyeshadow. Then smoky shader. I think you're supposed to apply like a primer to your face, but I don't know how to do it and I don't want to pass my boundary. Should I? What's the worst that will happen, right? So we've applied the eyeshadow primer. After this, what do I do? I feel like I was trying to do something here, but I missed it here. So what is left is my eyelashes, but the eyelashes that I have is very long, so I'm just considering, should I fix that or not? It's a bit too long, I'll be looking like a baby. But I'll fix it like that, and if I don't like it, I will remove it. Simple and short. Life is not that hard. So let me fix my lashes and I'll be back. And on that note, we've come to the end of this video. I feel like my makeup is eating. If I can do this every single time I want to do makeup, I'm okay and I can improve from there. So I will give myself 8.5/10, because if you guys know, I've been struggling with this makeup thing. The last time I did the makeup was at a wedding, and I eventually had to clean it off for the makeup artist to do a makeup on me. So me being able to achieve this, you guys can't tell me shit. You can't tell me nothing. I've ticked one thing off my body list. So sorry. But I have to laugh because I'm so glad. A reminder that God creates. He doesn't just create, He creates. If you get it, you get it. This is eating. And on that note, we've come to the end of the video. Make sure that you subscribe. If you were practicing alongside me, let me know how it ended. rate yourself over 10 in the comment section. I'll be there. I give myself a solid 8.5 over 10 for this. For effort, in fact, make it 9. But 8.5, I give myself a solid 8.5. So rate yourself and your makeup down. I'm not talking to the pro people, but if you're a pro at doing makeup, you could just give yourself a 10 down in the comment section. But if you're a beginner like me and you practice alongside me, let me know what you rate yourself as, because I feel like I did really good. You guys can rate me as well, I don't mind, but I know it cannot be anything less than 8.5. If it's anything less than 8.5, you're a hater. You're a hater, and I don't care. Anyways, this is the final look. Can you guys see? Yes, it's not perfect, duh, but it's good. It's really good.